Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla Marie of Kayla Meets Culture, and today I am taking you on a day in the life type of vlog. Minus most of the day because my GoPro batteries do not have that long of life. This park is one of my favorite parks on Kinmen. If I have a couple of hours before work, I'll come here, I'll walk around, and I'll just simply enjoy it. So this horse doesn't have very good rocking capabilities, and I think it's because they put it on some pretty unsteady ground. I'm not really sure why they would put it over here because I have rocked pretty well on the horse before, but oh well. I haven't mentioned it yet, this place is really nice for riding your bike. There's a really long pathway and a lot of trails in between all of the different sections, so it's nice because you can go through all of it quickly and make some good timing. I've hit a bumpy path. So for most of the summer, they've been doing a lot of work on this park, and now we can tell that it's fall. We can see the leaves falling. Very photogenic if you enjoy taking photos or Instagram photos or whatever. This is definitely a pretty good park to come to. Here in Kinmen, the wind has been picking up insanely. The winter is on its way, so my goal is to spend as much time as I can outside before it gets so cold that I don't want to leave my apartment. So this part of the park is one of my favorite parts of the park. If you watch some of my early videos, you might actually recognize this place, and if you do, kudos to you and thank you for being here this entire time. I want to take a second to talk a little bit more about my future living on Kinmen, because a long time ago I made a video about why I live on Kinmen and if I was going to continue living here. So I want to know, do you think I'm going to live on Kinmen next year, or do you think I'm going to leave? All right, here we are. I love stopping here. I don't know if any of y'all know this, but I am a little bit musically inclined. I played in the band for like 6 years, although I did not play percussion. I really love drums, so let's bang on this drum for a minute and get out of here. So right now it's about 3:20 and I'm gonna head to work. I have to grab a bite to eat and get to work in about 40 minutes. So this video has come to an end. If you enjoyed this laid back vlog style video, please let me know, as I will probably do more in the future. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I'm kind of experimenting with different types of content and I just want to enjoy the process. So let me know what you think. I'll see you next week. Peace.